Hey guys, Awesome JD here. I am the owner of Annex, and this video is for Annex. It's going to show you how to code some stuff, all that. This is just going to be a basic video for coding. It's going to be very, very basic. You're only going to learn a few stuff, but right now, I kind of failed on my last video. I accidentally exited out of the tab, but so far you should have this. If you want it, if you have Notepad, you should make a new tab, new. I'm going to exit out of this one, which file, save as. I'm going to save it as something else, because I want to use the name for something else. So I'm going to close out of that. You go to that close one. So now we got new 4. And also, when I'm done with these series on how to code and stuff, you'll get all this stuff, how to code all this stuff, which I hope you guys will enjoy. So file, save as, because you don't want it as new 4, you want it as like PHP, or I will teach you how to make a theme. So .css will be in a couple videos later when I get into PHP more and I finish the PHP series. So I'm going to save this as default .php. Save. Do you want to replace it? Yes, because I'm not going to be using that other one anymore. So, get that down. Otherwise, there's another way where you can go like this, which W3 Schools likes to do it this way, and then body, then you can go PHP echo, and if you want to like say something, you can go hello world, which that's what W3 School has as an example. So if you wanna w3schools.com, that is the website you can use, and it really helps with learning coding. I use it once in a while whenever I forget a nice code, and when I want to teach you guys something new, I'll go to that website and teach you guys it. But I'm just going to be doing these in videos instead of writing these down and just giving you a link description. I want you guys to see how I do this so you can learn yourself how to do this. So now, once I save this, you will see it. Make sure body is first, because that was the last one. So then it should save now. Go to your website. Mine is Online Gamers, and sorry. Now it's going to say 403 for forbidden because there's no file hooked up to that. I'll teach you how to hook up the file, like make the file come onto that when you type that in. Like, well, I'll just teach you when I get to it. So now /default. Make sure you have the caps in there if it's the caps or not. .php. Now I have an error on line 7, which is probably something pretty basic. Alright. That's because I forgot to do that. You should make sure you do that. I mess up on that once in a while. File, save, reload, W3 schools, and that's what happens on the echo. Now you can keep changing this once in a while to like, hello, welcome to my website. It isn't finished yet, but it will be soon. I don't know what to write, so alright, refresh. There we go. It's right there. It's actually pretty neat how Notepad hooks up to it and all that stuff. That's what I really like about the internet. And I got into coding just a couple months ago, and I'm really into it now. I like to thank quite a bit of people for that. Yeah. And if you want some private coding lessons from Annex, that's $5, but you probably wouldn't want that. It's only if you have a credit card. We don't take mail or anything. But so that's pretty much just how to put some text on your website. I will be doing another video pretty soon because I have nothing to do today. Pretty bored. Otherwise, I'm going to be working on my website. So subscribe if you want to see how to make websites and such. I'll be making another video to continue with this one to make your website better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.